Okay, thank you for joining me. In this video, try and keep it brief, I am going to talk about the logos, which in Greek means the reasoning, and the choices we make and operating and working with nature. This video is actually, I'm going to talk about slug control. So, a couple of little tools to illustrate this point is this kind of thing. Lots of people have got garages and sheds, garden sheds full of all the chemicals. I'm going to try and convey or ask people to perhaps think again, think twice, to consider the reasoning, which is life, living, love, those kind of things. The intelligence is with intelligence, so perhaps reconsider one's position with all of these chemicals. I want to people as well to get their heads around being better mathematicians, because most people think, oh, it's only just me, it's only a little bit, but you think about these things, they're coming out of the factory by the pallet load, by the truckload, they get pushed into the ground, and you know, I don't want to sound also too sort of unhappy, but there's the bees seem to be down quite a lot this year, a lot in fact. But anyway, so I'm going to say that the logos, the divine intelligence that is with intelligence, I'm going to call it clockwise, and I'm going to call it's a clockwise choice. That's how the game's played, a bit like Monopoly. This is the way the board game goes. You can go backwards, you can cheat, you can debate the board game, but essentially do you not want to play the game? So happy days is what I'm talking about. Now, a few chemicals people are probably, and all the garden centres, they'll probably be most upset at what I'm saying give it another thought. But I certainly have had quite a bad slug problem in the past, kept eating a lot of things. So what I did was, and this was based on as well a book by Lyle Watson, how predators and prey what happens is you have a predator like a frog, you have the prey, which might be the slug, but if you're poisoning the predator, i.e. via slug pellets, the prey, i.e. the slugs, tend to return an awful lot quicker, hence you have more of a problem. So bear with me, follow me. Over here, all I've done is try to put in the most minimal. This is a bit of garden I'm looking after, the most tiniest little feature to allow for. Now, I didn't put these frogs in. If we're lucky, we've got a little frog here who's often under here. Hopefully he's here. I'll try not to scare him.
Yeah, you shadow that way.
Oh, look at that, oh my word, 3 of them. 3.
Yeah, shadow that way. You muppet.
So look at those beautiful, beautiful frogs. 3 of them. This is amazing, because normally there's only one. Well, I haven't seen all 3 for ages.
There's usually that one, isn't it?
Yeah, look at them, absolutely beautiful.
That one there.
I didn't put these in
Sometimes
here.
That one's in.
Is that another one? Is that the same one? Well, yeah. So we've got 3 frogs here. Can you close? Excuse you, Tommy. Bless you, rather. Can you zoom in? See him?
Yeah.
Absolutely beautiful. So, you know, this is. Bless you. We're not very tech savvy here, so I don't think we'll be editing this video or anything. So these frogs just came. Build it and they will come. So absolutely lovely to see, and instead of having slug pellets, it's going great this video, isn't it, with all this sneezing? Instead of having slug pellets, you know, if I can do this, like say, walk the talk, it's easy for other people to do it. Beautiful, beautiful frogs, and they are there, and I think they've been doing a very good job keeping the slugs, you know, at a sort of, well, keeping the slug population down. I've also left a lot of leaves out last autumn for things like the blackbirds and the thrushes to, you know, they like to peck around, and certainly the thrushes will help keep down the slug population as well. So I hope this video has encouraged everyone to think twice, think about the logos. I would call it, the logos to me is, you know, divine intelligence, the reasoning. You know, I don't want to throw religion on people can't get very upset, but there is, the intelligence is with intelligence. The love is with love, and hopefully try to create a little bit of that here today in this video. Okay, thank you very much.
Is there anything
Let's have a little look in here. I don't think there is at the moment. No, I have seen one of them in there before, but they all seem to be living happily together at the moment. Oh yeah, one more thing is try and put in more rainwater. I did notice once I topped this all up with tap water and they disappeared briefly. So if you can do what you can to put in rainwater collected from a water butt, then that's probably better for them. So yeah, okay, thanks for watching. Please spread the word. The word is with love. Bye.
spider?